avoid people who we don't like and who we feel are toxic. So today we'll talk about 10 ways how we can do it. Hi, I'm Bhavna and welcome back to my channel. So let's start the video. ऐसे कई लोग हमें मिलते हैं जो हमें लगता है कि टॉक्सिक हैं और हमारी एनर्जी ड्रेन कर लेते हैं. बिलीव मी, मैंने ऐसे बहुत लोगों से मैं भी मिली हूँ. किस तरह से इन टॉक्सिक लोगों के साथ डील किया जाए. पहली चीज़ है सेट बाउंड्रीज. फॉर सम रीज़न हम एक साथ बहुत सारा चेंज नहीं कर पाते हैं क्योंकि वी आर स्केयर्ड दैट अदर्स विल फील बैड. तो व्हाट वी कैन डू इज़ हम छोटी छोटी बाउंड्रीज सेट करें और उनको फॉलो करें जो कि हमें लॉन्ग टर्म में हेल्प करती है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, इन सम हाउसेज देयर इज़ अ रिचुअल दैट यू हैव टू कॉल people you don't like and some relatives or anyone, and you have to constantly call them and ask them how they are, and you don't feel like calling but still you have to call. So what we can do is just reduce it to, if you're calling or if you're doing something you're not liking, just reduce it to, if you are doing it 7 times a week, maybe you can do it 3 times a week. So you can definitely set the boundaries. When we reveal our secrets, what happens that other person take advantage of that, and if you are 100% confident that and the person you are talking to is loyal and trustworthy, then only share your secrets. Because we feel emotional sometimes, so we tell our secrets to other people, but what happens कि एक point के बाद वो information हमारे लिए एक threat पैदा करती है, क्योंकि when we told that information, we don't know that what kind of emotional state we were in, and later on what happens, that same information is used by other people. So this is very very important. Be very very cautious whenever you share your secrets with others. They should be loyal and trustworthy. One is recognize and ignore insults. Sometimes what happens, I have seen that people will talk to you and they'll try to insult you, in using some sentences they'll try to insult you. Just ignore it. I just pretend that I didn't get it, and I'm sure you will agree that we can't remove them from our life completely. It's not possible sometimes, but definitely there are ways we can deal with them and we can save ourselves. When you react, the other person wins, and that's exactly what they want, to irritate you, to get reaction from you. So this is one thing I have learned from my experiences, that you should not just ignore insults. It happens with all of us. Dealing with self-centered people, what happens when you talk to them, they will talk about their problems, and they go on and on and on. And when your time comes and you want to share something, because it should be a two-way conversation, but that doesn't happen. वो सिर्फ अपनी ही आपको बताएंगे issues के ऐसा है और ऐसा हो गया and all that. And when you start, they will just dominate this conversation and they will start saying that yeah, my problem is very big, what do you know, my problem is very very big. So they always try to show that their problem is big. Next is don't fall prey to pity. What happens that people will call you and they will, or people around you, they will use pity, and you will get stuck in this, and you will start sympathizing with them, and you will not register when you started this thing, and this empathy will lead you nowhere. And if somebody is playing a victim card, be aware of that. Please try to understand whether it's a genuine problem or somebody is just playing the victim card. Next is stand up to bullies. It's very very important. Sometimes what happens that when we keep on listening, and what happens that other person just starts bullying you. And bullying is not just like bullying is just not in colleges and schools. It happens in our lives all. People will just use sarcasm, they'll bully you, they'll make comments on your clothes or anything, your health, anything. And then you have to stand up for yourself after a point. See, initially if we ignore, it's fine, we should ignore. But if these things happens repeatedly and you keep on ignoring them, then there will be no boundary of this behavior. That's why to stop this behavior and to set a boundary, you have to stand up to bullies. Next is stay aware of your emotions. What happens when we talk to someone with these toxic people, what happens that जब हम इनसे बात करते हैं तो हमें लगता है कि हम भी इमोशनल हो जाते हैं, हम भी बहुत ज़्यादा फ़ील करने लग जाते हैं। हम समझ नहीं पाते हैं कि हू इज़ करेक्ट एंड हू इज़ रॉन्ग। और हम सिर्फ़ क्योंकि वो हमें अपनी स्टोरी इस तरह से बताते हैं, हमें लगता है कि नहीं, नहीं, ये सही बोल रहा है यार, ही इज़ राइट एंड अदर पर्सन इज़ रॉन्ग। वी शुड ऑलवेज़ लिसन टू two sides of a story. That's what I believe. You know, it can be any relationship, believe me, in laws, uh, you know, uh, sister-in-law, anything. It can be any relationship, or maybe friends. So in these relationships, it's very, very important to listen to both sides of story. If you listen to only one side of story and you make judgments and everything, then it becomes very, very scary in future. Is focus on solutions, not problems. Blame game is very common with these toxic people. उनका ये मोटिव ही रहता है कि उनको ब्लेम किसी और को करना है और अपने आप को बहुत अच्छा दिखाना है। ये बहुत ही कॉमन बिहेवियर है जो मैंने टॉक्सिक लोगों के अंदर देखा है। और इससे बचने का यही तरीका है कि आप सॉल्यूशंस निकालें। मैं आपको आई विल गिव यू एन एग्जांपल। I was working with a lady, and we both were working on some task, and she said that I can't work on this because I'm not able to focus. This task is it's so time taking and everything. I can't focus on that. And she was thinking on this line that maybe I will revert back and I will say that why will not you do this? I can't do it alone. Why I am responsible for this? But I didn't do that. So what I did, I just talked to my manager, and I just informed her that this colleague of mine doesn't want to work on this task. You please resolve this thing. I don't want to confront her because it's her decision. If she doesn't want to work on that, it's her personal choice. So I don't want to confront her on this because it's a management decision. You please talk to her and get this sorted. So then my manager got it sorted, and she just helped. She added another team member in our task, and that's how it got completed. So I didn't confront her that why will not you do this? It's your job also. So these are the ways we can handle these things, these situations, and we can handle these toxic people who are always ready to fight. It's very, very important, and we can find these people anywhere, in your office, at your home, in your neighborhood, anywhere. So it's very, very important to save your energy. कि जब आप इन लोगों से बात करते हैं तो इतना नेगेटिविटी आपके अंदर आ जाता है, इतना ये आपका पॉजिटिव एनर्जी पूरा एब्जॉर्ब करके आपको पूरा नेगेटिव एनर्जी दे देते हैं। तो उस टाइम पे हाउ विल यू डील विद इट? जब आप ऐसे लोगों से बात करते हैं जिनका लाइफ के प्रति नेगेटिव एटीट्यूड है, तो ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है कि आप अपने आप को डिटॉक्स करें। अगर आपको इनसे बात करना बहुत ज़रूरी है और ये पॉसिबल ही नहीं है, सपोज़ आप एक ही टीम में काम करते हैं ऑफिस में और आप उनको अवॉइड नहीं कर सकते, आप उनके साथ काम कर ही रहे हैं, या फैमिली में भी ऐसा हो सकता है। इफ़ थिंग्स आर ओके इन योर लाइफ, so you don't have to absorb that negative energy. I really feel this, that whatever things you have in your life, it's your hard work. You have your earned assets. So basically you should not feel guilty about those things, and these people will make you feel guilty, that oh तुम्हारा तो बहुत अच्छा है, सब कुछ अच्छा चल रहा है, I am having bad days. So you don't have to feel guilty for that. Just don't get absorbed in this negativity and come out of it. Even if you talk to them for 10, 15 minutes, 20 minutes, just when you get out of the conversation, just be alert that no, I am positive. I will not absorb this negativity. Spend time with loyal friends. It's not required that you should have 20, 25 friends. If you have two friends who are loyal to you completely and who are happy in your happiness, that's more than enough. So it should not be counted in numbers. It should be counted in the sense that how much loyal they are to you. Avoid conflict with these kind of people. They are very dangerous to your happiness, and you have all the right to be happy. You only get one chance to live. Don't get affected by the negative energy which these toxic people just throw at you. आपको अपने आप को इससे बचाना है, ये बहुत ज़रूरी है। अगर आप इनकी नेगेटिविटी एब्जॉर्ब करेंगे तो आपको अपनी प्रॉब्लम्स और भी बड़ी लगेगी, और आपको लगेगा कि आप स्टक हैं और आपको सफोकेटिंग फील होगा। इसीलिए आप टॉक्सिक लोगों से दूर रहें। मैं हमेशा से बोलती आई हूँ कि अगर आप फिज़िकल डिस्टेंस नहीं रख सकते हैं तो आप मेंटल डिस्टेंस रखें, वो भी बहुत इम्पॉर्टेंट है। वो उतना ही मैटर करता है और बहुत इफ़ेक्टिव है। आप मेंटल डिस्टेंस ज़रूर रखें, इग्नोर करें। अगर आपको लगता है बहुत लिमिट हो रहा है तो आप स्टैंड अप करें। So these were the things which I wanted to share with you through my personal experiences. I hope you liked my video. If you like it, please like it, share it, and please subscribe my channel, and don't forget to click the bell icon. Thank you.